Wedderburn proudly supply a range of robust and safe equipment for food processing. Today we are running through some of the features of the GRVA802 fully auto food stacker slicer. This is a high quality German engineered machine. On the screen you will see some of the features. It has a food grade safety cover, a guide safety switch, slicer speed 30 to 70 slices per minute, slicing thickness 0.5 to 10 mm. This machine also has a special non-stick coating. We'll be going through some of the safety features later on in the video. Here are some of the slicing modes: stacking, shingling, slice stirring and shaving. Stacking up to 90 mm high, shingling also up to 90 mm high. You can also adjust the thickness as you go. Slice direct, you can slice direct into a box, on a plate or into your hand. Shaving, you can also adjust the thickness as you go. Which allows you to slice and stack 2 meat rolls simultaneously to speed up process. Now we will go through the enhanced safety features of this fantastic machine. It has a new safety perspex cover for operation safety. It also has a safety switch, which the machine will stop automatically halfway through a process. It has a rubber mounted pad to make the machine more stable and to stop residue from getting under the machine. This machine is easy to maintain and clean. It needs no tools to dismantle. All parts easy removable for cleaning. Glazing arm, the tray, chain guide, blade cover, blade guide. Carriage can be lifted up for easy cleaning. All machines come with an easy to use sharpening device. Set the blade sharpener to the position 0 using the adjusting knob. Number 1 is to sharpen and 2 is to deburr.